on! Why do some people handle this so well and others struggle?
Great question. Some people handle waiting well while others struggle because the brain prefers immediate rewards over future benefits. And dopamine circuits push for quick pleasure while the prefrontal cortex tries to calculate long-term gain, creating an internal tug of war. So, if you understand this delayed reward battle, you can train your brain to succeed financially in the AI age, so stay with me.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. The core skill behind waiting financially is delayed gratification, which means choosing a bigger future reward over a smaller present one. 2. In an AI-driven world of instant streaming, instant delivery, and instant payment, patience becomes a rare and powerful future skill. 3. People who grow wealth long-term are not resisting joy, they are managing timing, and that builds leadership and strong character.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. Number 1, dopamine circuits spike higher for immediate rewards than delayed ones, which makes waiting feel uncomfortable. Number 2, the amygdala can amplify impatience or fear of missing out, while the prefrontal cortex evaluates future outcomes and helps override impulses. Number 3, the hippocampus stores successful waiting experiences, and through neuroplasticity and adjustments in the default mode network, repeated patience strengthens long-term thinking circuits.
How does this show up in real life?
Great question. 1. At school, you might prefer spending allowance now instead of saving for something meaningful later, because the brain craves instant reward. 2. In friendships and stress, quick purchases can feel like emotional relief, especially when technology makes buying immediate and effortless. 3. In careers like AI engineer, doctor, psychiatrist, designer, policymaker, or entrepreneur, the ability to delay gratification supports strategic decisions and long-term success.
So, small equals big?
Yes. 1. Each small act of waiting is like adding a brick to a mental foundation that supports future stability. 2. Repeated patience strengthens neural pathways like training a muscle or nurturing a garden that grows slowly but steadily. 3. Over time, that wiring becomes disciplined character, and disciplined character becomes financial strength in an AI-powered world.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. When you want to buy something, visualize your future self benefiting from waiting, and picture your prefrontal cortex lighting up as the decision maker. Step 2. Notice the impatience in your body and imagine your amygdala settling like waves calming after a storm. Step 3. Practice delaying one non-essential purchase each week, and remember the hook, waiting builds winning.
What should we do today?
1. Choose one item you want today and delay it for at least 24 hours. 2. Reflect on how the waiting felt and share that experience with a parent or trusted adult to strengthen your awareness. 3. Repeat this micro habit for 7 days and observe how your confidence in self-control increases. Remember, waiting is not weakness, it is brain training. Through neuroplasticity, small acts of patience reshape your reward system. In the AI age, those who master delayed gratification will design their future instead of chasing every impulse. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.